be pinning a Delphi PBT-GF20 style connector. First thing, on the side, there's two, this side and this side. So on this side, you push that blue thing in, and it will, so you'll be able to remove the cap. So use some tool. I'm just using a little tiny screwdriver, but you know, push, slide it to the side to expose the pins. Now to remove the pins, you'll see these the locking tabs here. Just press it down and then pull the pin out. Again, I'll use the same little screwdriver. Again, the tab, pull it down, pull out the pin. Tab down, pulling out the pin.